Today we're going to try out some open-ear headphones from Sansui, so let's get cracking.
Let's begin by seeing what we've got in the box. Of course, it is the Sansui W93 Hi-Fi. Inside, we've got a details card, real quickly, pairing, reset, button operation. Stuff that you're going to need later. Under that, we've got the case. And inside, we've got the headphones. As soon as they pop out, looks like it's in pairing mode. And of course, if we look underneath, there is our charging cable and the manual. USB-C charging. I'm going to get this plugged in and let's test it in just a little bit. All right, so they are all charged up. Peel off the protective cover now. And let's take a look at the bud. As you can see, it is the over-ear style. That's where the music's going to come out. That is where it charges. Of course, right now you can see that it is in pairing mode. Let's pull them both out and let's get them paired to a phone. Of course, find our settings, Bluetooth, and after a moment, Sansui is enabled, and bang, it's connected. If we hit the letter I, I'm going to hit device type and make it a headphone. And back it up. Now let's do some testing. All right, so this is my Audio Hero playlist. This is the right earbud. Notice it shows you the R there. And let me show you how this works. If we single tap this side, I want to keep this on the screen for you, and I want to make it larger. Watch that volume. Single tap increases the volume on the right. Single tap on the left decreases the volume. If you double tap, it'll pause, and of course, if you double tap again on that right, it'll play. If you triple tap the right, it goes to the next song. And then if you triple tap the left, it goes to the previous song. Notice I would have done it twice because it just reset that song. So the controls are super slick. Once again, single taps are volume up on the right, down on the left. Double click is play pause. Triple click is next song, and triple click is back to the beginning or the previous song. Real quickly, you can track these headphones down at Amazon.com. Of course, I will have a link in the description. If we check the images, of course, note the incredible audio experience, offering a 14.2 millimeter large dynamic driver that gives us pure, high-quality sound. Of course, you also get the bonus of stunning HD calls, 56 hours of battery life, fully charged in an hour and a half. Obviously, I did overkill, letting mine go for at least 3 hours. And you get active, moving comfort, which if you ever get tired of an earbud stuck in your ear, this is a sweet product. As I wrap up, I want to give you 3 things I really dig about these headphones. Number 1, I love the comfort. Occasionally, you get tired of having something poke into your ear. This sits on top there and is super smooth. Also, I am loving the audio experience. And then finally, I really dig how easy it is to control them. The single clicks for volumes, double click to skip, and of course, triple skip to get to the next song are super slick. Of course, friends, I would love to hear your thoughts on the headphones down below, and of course, stay tuned for updates as I continue to use them. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.